Celedon. Kero?
Ako nani Igbo.
Ano manu Igbo?
Manu ngologu sele sunuku chi.
Ano manu ine?
Ano ngologu sele sunuku ko.
Okay.
Asho no maja, adeku ngologu. Ni anu abo maja lemo. Okay.
Manu ine na anu na-akọwa na nke abụrụ nke izi na-egbu. Nke izi. Ana manu ine kwusi okwu ike.
Igbo akọ do fuke pelike mmakuwo ya. Okay. Oh, nke anọ ma. Onwe wa mmanụ kata mebere isi jide n'isi nke ihe mpana. Nse na ọwụ n'ọhịa eriere anụ mkpa. Ọ gwa ha sị ka ha nina akpa ma bụrụ ya. Adịghị m akọwa m nsi ahụ igbu na mebe ọgwụ ndị ọbụla ha ma apa ya apa ma aka m na isi m. Si ahụ igbu na m egbu. Ndị ọbụla ha ma na-apa m eji. Ama m na m akọmiti. Apa m ụda. Na apata m ebe asị m kọọ.
For me, how long you be go knock? How long you be go knock?
Aro.
Okay, Aro ne you be go knock?
I've done more than 2000.
2000. That is open of my this is 24 years in Ogoloka. On your idea, come there again. On your idea, and Doka Rebuem. Man, on your idea, who is you?
When my dear got oh, mistake. Oh,
Mani wana na nke ọrụ ya na oneke Igbo
ofuke pelumpe ntuhuo ya from kan
4 years as a work in it.
Yes sir.
Ndị Igbo kwenye la.
Onwe kwa nke m lele ni ju mi enyi m ya gbo m. Igbo no webu ni
onye chi eme ihe aghọta ihe eme na-emego ara egbu kama na a ga-eme ihe elu oshi wee kwesị ka eme enyi nwere omenala a na-emelie ịnanụwe na-ekwu etiru ịnanụwe na-ekwu enulibe nkwu ara egbu ara eti o nwere onye egbu ịma na
Okay, so this is happening in Awka, the capital of Anambra State. In Awka community, it is forbidden for someone to kill monkeys. So it happens that this man here, who is a stranger, I have been living in Awka community for over 24 years now, according to the man. I don't know, maybe the man is a hunter. So the man hunted monkeys. According to who is interviewing this man now, this man have hunted monkey before, and he was pardoned by the villagers. Now, this one now is making it the second time that he's hunting monkey again, and the community people have caught him again. And now, I have seen a lot of people commenting. People are saying that they should allow the man to go. But this is what I want to say here. Just like they say, if you go to Rome, you have to behave like the Romans. One thing you have to understand is that we must not judge everything with emotion. Remember, when someone commits a sin inside church, we always tell the person to go and ask for forgiveness. If it is in Catholic, the person will go and meet the parish priest and make a confession. After making your confession, they are going to be giving you Bible quotations that you are going to be reading while praying for forgiveness also. Now, this is happening in a community. Just like every one of us, any community you are coming from, you have that rules and regulation. You have your custom and tradition. And it is mandated that anyone who is in that community, even if you are an indigene or you are a stranger, you must abide by the custom and tradition of that community. Now, this man have gone against the custom and tradition of the people of Awka. It is expected that he's going to do whatever it is that Awka people are doing when someone killed monkey in their village. So the man is expected to go and appease the gods of the land of Awka, just like the way they do it. There is no two ways about it. This is not, they are not going to kill the man. That's one thing. They are not going to kill him. But the way it is being done in Awka, when someone kills monkey, that is exactly what the man will do to appease the gods of the land. This thing happens in all our villages. There is no village you go to that does not have one thing or the other that they are forbidding. And once you go against that thing they are forbidding, it is expected of you to appease the gods of that land. So it is very simple. This man is going to do it the way it is being done in Awka. Whoever kills monkey is going to do whatever it takes to appease the gods of the land. Because this is not the first time. Remember, the first one he did, he was pardoned. Now this is the second time. And this is someone that has been living in that community for over 24 years. So it's expected that he has an idea, that he knows about this, that Awka people does not kill monkey. So this is not an issue of having emotions. The man should just do whatever it takes to appease the gods of the land of. Since this is not the first time this man is killing monkey in that village, and he knows fully well that it is forbidden for someone to kill monkey in Awka community, I expect this man to just face the consequence of his action. Because allowing him to go again for the second time means approving it and allowing others and encouraging others to start killing monkeys. Because they will now do it because this man have done it and go scot-free.